Now you have an eBay store or even eBay account where you started selling your products on eBay, but you are not getting many organic sales, or if you are not getting any sales, then this video might be very much helpful to you. This video is about how to set up the advertising on eBay. By the way, if you haven't watched my video on how to increase the organic traffic on your eBay listings and get the organic sales, then check out the video link given in description below. Also, you might see the card here. Back to the topic, here I am on the eBay account dashboard where you can say Seller Hub. If you don't know how to reach to the Seller Hub, then simply go to My eBay here and click on to Selling and Sold. On the overview menu, you can go to Advertising and simply Dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see all the current campaigns you are running, but right now if you are starting just new, you might not see any campaigns. Simply go and click to campaigns here, and there would be a lot of different type of campaigns you can generate. By the way, this is the new eBay account I created just for the tutorial sakes, but I started getting sales on this account as well, so I'm thinking of uplifting this account with more advertising and more sales. This section, click on campaigns, and here in your case could be blank. You can click to create new campaign, and there would be two different type of campaigns available. First is promote your listing and second one is promote offsite. But if you have eBay store, then you might see even more type of campaigns available. Now in my case, because my one is not eBay store, it is just a simple eBay seller account without eBay store. It is showing only two different type of campaigns I can create. Now click to promote your listing. There would be two different options available. Now you have to decide which strategy you want to go with. There is like priority campaign strategy and general campaign strategy. Basically, priority campaign strategy was launched just about 12 months ago by eBay. Before, there was only general campaign strategy available. Basically, general campaign strategy will only charge you pay for sales. That means you only be charged by eBay once you have your items sold on eBay, and most likely you get 30% lift on your eBay sales with this campaign strategy. With the priority campaign strategy, it is pay for click campaign. So each time customer click onto your listing, you will be charged by eBay, despite you get sales or not. Now, in my case, I would prefer to create both campaign types, but you can always try with general campaign strategy and see how you go. And in future, if you get few sales, if your profit increase, and if you have enough profit to spend on priority campaign, you can create the priority campaign as well. In this video, I'm gonna show you both campaign types, so stay tuned. Now click to general campaign strategy first, and here you can add the listings as well. So in my case, because I already created the general campaign, my listing won't be available. So there is no other listings available here. But in your case, there would be a lot of listings. You can just simply tick and click the particular listings, or you can refine by these options and then you will see the listings accordingly. You can just simply click all or select all, and you can add them into your campaign. There is another option called rule based. So if you don't want to go manual selection, you can go with rule based, and here you can decide the categories or price range, like in my case like $0 to $100, and the second campaign would be like $100.01 to $200. So I can set different price range for different categories or different campaigns, and that way I can manage accordingly. You will see what I'm talking about. So let me just select $0 to $100. Brand and condition, I will select all, and then I can click to select create new rule. Also, you can go with this type, CSV upload, where you can upload your product CSV file, or you can upload or enter the item IDs. But these two options are most popular, and if you're new, you can go with manual selection, or rule based can be very much handy and can save you a lot of time. Let me open one of my campaigns to show you how does it look like inside. So leave this page. This one, you see general here, add type. This is the one under $100. That's what I was talking about. So I created this campaign between $0 to $100 product range. This is a rule-based campaign, and now I have added a lot of different products in that. Let me click to edit campaign, and basically you will see something like this one. Once you add the listings, it will show up here. You can manage the rule by clicking onto that. So you see here my rule is $0 to $100, and it will automatically add any products between $0 to $100 into this campaign. Now, if you scroll down here, select ad rate strategy. There would be two different options, dynamic ad rate and fixed ad rate. If you're new to eBay ads, I would always recommend you to go with dynamic ad rates, and that way eBay will decide the ad rates every day accordingly, whatever the ad rates are going on every day. You can also go to advanced settings here, click to advanced settings, and here you will see you can set the ad rate cap. So I want to pay maximum 12.9% per advertisement or per sale I'm getting, and the ad rate modifier says 0.8%. That means I'm happy to pay if current ad is charging 8.3 for that particular ad type or product type. I'm happy to pay 0.8% extra on top of that. So just imagine dog bed current rate is 8.3. I'm happy to pay 0.8% extra. That means eBay will charge me 9.1%. So it is very simple. You can set accordingly. If you don't know what to do, you just simply untick it and only select the maximum ad rate cap. The fixed ad rate will help you if you want to just set up the basic and fixed ad rate, but dynamic can be very much helpful because every day eBay changes the ad rates. Now if you scroll down, you can change the name of the campaign, you can set the end date of the campaign, and then just save changes. That way it will start running the campaign, and after a few days you will start getting sales. If you do not see any sales, then always check out the ad rate cap and ad rate modifier and increase or decrease the ad rate accordingly. This was the general campaign with auto selection. Now let me go back and show you the other campaign type. The second campaign type, if I go to create new campaign and under the promote your listing type, again priority campaign type. So this campaign type is pay for click or pay per click campaign. It can potentially increase 50% more sales, which is more efficient campaign than general campaign. And it is proven. I have already run priority campaigns in a lot of cases, and I got sale increase from this campaign as well. So simply click to priority campaign, add the products accordingly. And once you click to add the products accordingly, or imagine you want to set or add only particular type of products, in my case like dog bed, and I want to include all these dog beds into this category, right? Then I would select dog beds, click add listing, and once the dog beds are added, instead of smart targeting, which is good to go, you can select this strategy type, and eBay will choose the ad rate by itself and optimize the keywords accordingly. But in my case, because I'm already running this smart targeting type as well, I would prefer to go with manual targeting this time. And manual targeting can give you more flexibility to manage your campaign. Only disadvantage with manual targeting is you have to keep an eye on this campaign each and every day, or at least once in 3-4 days, and set the advertisement rates accordingly. Here what I'm talking about. So if I scroll down, keyword bidding strategy, dynamic bidding versus fixed bidding. I would like to go with fixed bidding instead of dynamic. Dynamic means eBay will decide how much they want to charge per keyword. They will set accordingly. But fixed bidding, that means you set your ad rate. That means here, if I scroll down, manually edit, and here in your case could be not many options available, only one. You can always add new group, okay? Also, you can change the group title by clicking to edit here, and instead of bed, I would say dog bed, and apply. Now, only dog beds are selected. If you think like one of them are not dog bed, you can always remove them by selecting the one and remove selected. And then once you've done the selection, or once you added the products accordingly, all the categories are there. What you can do is you can go through each ad group and you can decide what keywords you want to add. So right now under the keywords, eBay have added all the keywords which are relevant to dog bed. But in your case, if you think like some of the keywords are not relevant, like this cat plush pillow, I think like it is not relevant, just imagine. So I remove that. Also scroll down and check each and every keywords. Just imagine hooded dog bed is also not relevant, I can remove that. And now once I know which keywords are okay, I can always select bulk update beads, and there would be two different options: apply suggested beads or apply custom beads. By clicking to apply suggested bead, it will change the bead accordingly, and it will set up the bead price by itself what eBay suggests. But in your case, if you want to set custom bid and you don't want to pay any more than $1 for each keyword, then I would say like $1 and it will set $1 to each one. Then once you set up the keyword pricing or bidding, simply click done, and you can do that accordingly for each and every ad group. Then done. Once you fix all the ad groups, scroll down and set the daily budget. So eBay suggests $16 per day. If you think it's too much, you can always change your own budget. So daily budget I would set to $5 to start with and see how I go, and I will increase the budget slowly. I will change the name. So I would say dog supplies, and I would also write for my need manual PPC campaign, and then I would say click to launch, and that way it will launch this campaign. Now let me cancel this, and you see here this is priority campaign, but different between this one is smart PPC campaign, whereas this is manual PPC. Manual PPC is the one I showed you just now. The smart PPC means I selected the rules here, priority and smart targeting. So eBay will decide what sort of bidding he wants to put for each keyword, and I'm happy with that, so I just kept it as it is and then run the campaign. But you will see here, if I scroll down, let me open more campaigns, and if I show you here, so this is the manual PPC. By now I have added only 7 listings and it got 274 impressions already. The clicks are 11 and I already got 1 item sold. By the way, this is the campaign I just launched yesterday, and I already got 1 sale of $28. But the problem is I already spent $11 in ad fees, which is a lot, and the ROAS is very low. If your ROAS means return of ad spend is below 5, that means it's very bad. And always you can pause the campaign or check out by opening the campaign and go through which keywords are hurting or taking more money out of your campaign. So if you see all these listings, if I scroll right and if I filter out from more clicks to low clicks, and you see here these 2 items are taking more money, I can always go to ad groups and check out which ad groups are performing well or which ad groups are taking more money. Also, I can go by keywords, and here I can select the particular keyword group or ad group, which is this one. And in this group, if I check which one is taking more money, so ad fees, and you can see here these 4 keywords are charged only. Other keywords are not yet charged. That means other keywords no one have clicked on it yet. But this keyword is taking a lot of money and it gave me sale of $28. So $8 spending, $8.53 versus $28 sale, not good. I can always check out what keyword it is. I can always turn it off or turn it on and reduce the bid price. So instead of 57, I can always do 0.2 and keep going. And I can also go through edit campaign, and I can also go to manually edit, and here on the ad group I can go to keywords, and here I can change it to apply suggested bid. This thing I would suggest you to do it every once in 3 days at least, so you would not be charged unnecessarily for keywords which has the price reduced. So suggested bids, bets, keywords, suggested bids. And once you finish that, you will wait and watch, and you just keep optimizing this thing. As I said, once in 3 days at least required. And once it's finished, you will start seeing the results, and there would be like few sales coming up. You can always check the sales at the dashboard as well. By far, within like 7 days, I got 27 clicks, $97 worth of sales, and $28 charge in ads, which is not good. I would prefer to go with return of ad spend above 6. That is my target, so I will optimize the ads accordingly, however the way I showed you in this one. Hope you learned something new. If you want to learn on how to increase the organic traffic of your eBay listings, do not miss out the video I made. You will be amazed. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment me in comment box below, and I would love to answer your questions as soon as possible. If you are new to this channel for the first time, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you will not get missed out any future videos which would be helpful for your e-commerce business. Thumbs up to this video if you like it. Until next time, see you, take care, bye bye.